Hi, it's a laundry day in our house and we have a lot of stains. So I decided to make this stain stick. I found these really pretty roller balls, 30 milliliter. And so this is all you need, all non-toxic ingredients from Young Living products. I'm gonna put about a tablespoon of Thieves household cleaner, which is like the capful, and then a tablespoon of Thieves laundry soap. And then the rest of the way, I'm gonna put hydrogen peroxide and several drops of lemon essential oil, because lemon really gets out stains. And then I'm ready to go. So this is really thick, so it's gonna take a minute for the roller ball, or to get down into the roller ball. There we go. Yes. And I'll just go ahead and add I'm gonna add like 8 drops. There you go. And the rest of the way with hydrogen peroxide. Once you have this roller ball, wet your stain, roll it on, let it soak or sit for a minute or two, and then just launder as usual. All right, here we go. Now the rest of the way with hydrogen peroxide. I think I'm gonna take this on vacation too, just in case we have too much fun and get stains.